The question about whether we should have multiple questions in the BBI is really an issue which is now, as we talk, a matter of Supreme Court interpretation. The County Assembly of Nandi and the County Assembly of Kericho have already written to the Supreme Court and have lodged a case for guidance to have the Supreme Court interpret the law and give guidance and advice as to whether the coming referendum, which is touching on a number of issues, whether it will be a yes or a no referendum, and whether that really should be the case. We also have other political players like Professor Kivutha Kibwana, governor of Makueni, who have also raised the same issues with the Supreme Court. And so this is an issue that is gaining prominence, and an issue that even very senior and serious legal minds are debating about and actually thinking about. And so it's going to be good to hear and to wait for the Supreme Court to do the interpretation and understand exactly what is the thinking of the Supreme Court on this matter. But as it may be, the issue, to me, it would look like for a referendum that touches on different category of issues in the Constitution, would be necessary to have members of the public give their opinion and their approval on those various issues, and therefore not really to have a no or a yes referendum. The reason is there are some good things that might be very important for the progress of our country, but there are also others which are retrogressive. And if you have a yes or a no referendum, it clearly wastes the opportunity to choose. In fact, if a leader who may want to pass something which is not very popular and that is not very good for the country, they can envelope that in very other good proposals. And that way, you are forced to pass the good and the bad ones. But in a situation where you have a yes and you have a multiple question, then you are able to choose what is good and what is bad.